how to use Quillbot for paraphrasing. So first go to Quillbot and then just click on paraphrasing tool here. And then from there you can just paste your text here, something like this, and then select any of the modes here that you want. So let's say I want to use the standard mode, and then just click on paraphrase here. Now it will start paraphrasing the text. Now you can see the synonyms option here. If you want to have fewer changes, to have more accurate here, to be more accurate here on the original text, you can just drag it here to the left. Now if you click on rephrase again, it would be more accurate here from the original text. Now if you want to have more changes but less accurate, you can just drag it here to the right, and there you go. Now if you want to add, use the fluency mode, you can just do that, and then it will start doing something else, something different, which is more fluent here than the original text. Then if you want to humanize it, just click on humanize here. You can select any of the options here. There are more options here as well. Okay, and there you go. So that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for videos like this. See you in the next one.